All right, this is meant to be a quick instructional video on the Wyze Watch stand that I have designed and will be selling on Etsy. The link will be in the description, but you'll get this in 3 pieces when it comes in the mail, or if you print it. And there's this little saw right here, and you can use a screwdriver and just pull it out and order your nail. Sometimes it's a little tight, so I think a screwdriver is recommended. And this is also an optional step. It's not needed. It's just up to you, but there's this space, and you can take 6 pennies, 3 in each side, like this, just to give it a little extra weight to hold it down. So once the door is kind of closed there, it kind of clips in, and it shouldn't just come off unless you're pulling on it. Now, the next step, now that you have your base weighed down, is to run your power cord from the Wyze Watch. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you do it the right direction. So if I try to put it on like this, it doesn't work. It has to clip on this way. And that varies based off of the 44 and the 47 millimeter models. So I think the 47 is the opposite way. So you want to check that on your watch, and then you'll take the top portion of it and you'll put it in the same way. So you'll just start by taking this portion and you'll push it in straight like this first, and then you'll rotate it. And as you rotate it, you'll want to push it to the side. There we go. And it will just click right in like that. And you want it just above the plane here. Okay, and you can test it before you move on to make sure that it kind of sits on there properly and it shouldn't come off. Okay, now the next step is just a preference thing, whether you want the arm to be on the left or the right side. So whatever you choose is up to you. Now, if you want it to be on the same side as the cord is coming out, then you'll just stick this in and run the cord along the back. And if you want it to be on the opposite side, then you'll run this cord along this channel to the opposite side first. Okay, so this goes in like this now, like that. And again, it would be the same procedure on the other side, or if it's on the same side as the cord is facing, it would just not have this loop in it. So then you'll just take this, push it through this channel, and it should seat about pretty flush with it. It can go about 1 millimeter deeper, but it's really not needed. And then you'll take this and put it, you'll want to get it on the side so that this is centered. If you put it over here, that'll look weird, it might tip over. And then the next thing you'll do is you'll push it past these little, there's like little flanges there, and you'll just push that past it, like that, and then push this over, and you'll push it in. And there we go. So now we have a nice sturdy stand for the Wyze Watch. And that'll just clip right on there like that. Start charging, you can loop it around, and it is open so that if you, I don't know what kind of bands are available for the Wyze Watch, but if you did have a different type of band available that was, say, maybe stretchy, and didn't have the ability to unbuckle, I guess, then you could just slide it over the side like that. And there we go. So that is the Wyze Watch stand that I have designed and will be selling. Again, link is in the description. Follow me for more things that I decide to make. All right.